Every time you log into an app, access a company system, or use a work email, your identity is verified. But how do organizations make sure the right people get access while keeping everyone else out? In this video, we will explain identity and access management in simple terms and show why it is essential for modern security. Identity and access management, commonly known as IAM, is a framework used to manage systems, data, and applications. It ensures that the right users have the right level of access at the right time. IAM plays a critical role in protecting sensitive information and preventing unauthorized access. Before exploring how it works, let us understand the core components of IAM. What is Identity and Access Management, IAM? IAM is a set of policies, technologies, and processes that control digital identities and permissions. It defines who a user is and what they are allowed to do within an organization's systems. IAM helps organizations manage employees, contractors, partners, and customers securely. By enforcing access rules, IAM reduces security risks and improves operational control. Key components of Identity and Access Management, IAM, is built on several core components that work together to protect systems. Understanding these elements helps explain how IAM functions in real environments. 1. Identification. This is the process of recognizing a user, usually through a username or ID. It establishes who is requesting access. 2. Authentication. Authentication verifies the user's identity using passwords, biometrics, or multi-factor authentication. This step confirms the user is who they claim to be. 3. Authorization. Authorization determines what actions a user can perform once access is granted. Permissions are assigned based on roles, policies, or job responsibilities. 4. Access control. Access control enforces security rules across systems and applications. It ensures users only see and use what they are permitted to access. How IAM works with that? Explained, let's move on to how IAM works. IAM systems manage the entire user access lifecycle. This includes onboarding new users, modifying access as roles change, and removing access when users leave. IAM tools often integrate with cloud platforms, applications, and internal systems. Automation helps reduce human error and ensure consistent security enforcement. Why IAM is important. Now that we know how IAM works, let's talk about its importance. IAM protects organizations from data breaches and insider threats. It improves compliance with regulations by tracking who accesses what and when. IAM also enhances productivity by giving users seamless access without compromising security. In today's remote and cloud-based workplaces, IAM is more important than ever. Who uses IAM? IAM is used by organizations of all sizes and industries, including small and large businesses, IT and security teams, cloud service providers, financial institutions, healthcare organizations, government agencies. Any organization that handles sensitive data benefits from strong IAM practices. Identity and access management is a foundation of modern cybersecurity. It helps organizations protect systems, control access, and reduce security risks effectively. With the right IAM approach, businesses can balance strong security with smooth user access. If you find this explanation helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's official channel for more videos on cybersecurity, IT, and professional skills.